Welcome to my free software that finds high ticket and recurring affiliate programs fast. This is an affiliate program finder search tool. Replace hours of research with just one click. Stick around for the rest of this video. It's going to be short, to the point. I'm going to show you how to use this tool. I'm going to show you how quick it is to use this tool, how it's going to save you massive amounts of time and energy. It's 100% free. Link's going to be directly below in the video description box. And I'm also going to show you the benefits of using this tool at the end of this, near the end of this video as well. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to show you how to use this tool in like 4 easy steps, and you're going to find whatever affiliate programs you're looking for, give you some ideas in whatever niche in seconds. So let's get started here. The first button is niche, where you select your niche. You got business marketing, software as a service, health and fitness, weight loss, supplements and nutrition, finance, investing, crypto and blockchain, e-commerce, physical products, survival and prepping, romance, dating, relationships, self-help. You can read the screen here. I'm going to scroll down to the end here. And if it's not, your niche is not listed, I pretty much got everything covered, but I realize I'm not going to get everything. If that's the case, just click the other button. Tell us your niche below, and then in the last box, the fourth box, you're just going to put in a little information about that niche, and it's going to find you high ticket and recurring affiliate product ideas, so you can go out and sign up for these different affiliate programs and earn some commission. So with that being said, let's fill this out. I've already got 3 of the 4 boxes filled out. For this demo, we're going to do crypto and blockchain. Commission type, I have high ticket. You can select from high ticket, recurring, cost per action, CPA, or one-time payout. We're going to do high ticket. Affiliate network type, you got a private program, affiliate marketplace, SaaS or tech partner, open to anything. I just put open to anything because it pretty much covers anything, but you can pick, obviously, from these 4 choices. Other niche or special request. Now, this box is important. Please describe your niche, product type, or audience here. This helps the tool deliver much better results. So just, be brief as possible, but to just describe your niche and whatever special requests you have. So this tool is going to give you the best results. It's already found. It's already worked in the background. You're going to hit submit, and that's how fast this is. It's already done. It's already found some of the programs you can sign up for. First one is Binance affiliate program, up to 50% per trade. This gives you a short description. And the next step is, obviously, you're just going to copy Binance affiliate program, go to Google, and you can find the affiliate program. It should be the first couple links, and you can sign up there. Coinbase affiliate program. And it gives you just an estimate. These could be a little bit off, so do double check on your research. This is giving you estimates of how much they pay. So do your due diligence when you go to the affiliate program. eToro affiliate program, up to 200 per new trader. Promote a leading social trading platform. Ledger affiliate program. Crypto.com. Paxful affiliate program, 50% of fees, approximately $25 per referral. This one's $250 per referral. And these could be the low. Sometimes these are the low end of them. So like always go there to the actual affiliate program, double check. It's just going to give you an idea of these. And it's all laid out perfectly. It gives you 7 affiliate programs in whatever niche. If you want more ideas, you can go back, just refresh this page and redo it over with like little bit different info. And it'll, bring you up more. So feel free to do that. It is free. Links directly below in the video description box to check this out. That's it. It's a setup real easy to use. And like I said, you could do any business marketing. We're going to refresh the page here. Say you want to promote the best email marketing, recurring subscription models. This is off the top of my head. We'll see what it comes up with. Fix the spelling on the first one. Hit submit. and we should be good to go here. We're going to wait for the AI. It should take a few seconds here. It's pulling up all your recurring commission, and it's done just like that. How quick and easy that is. ConvertKit, 30% recurring. Get Response, 33% recurring. Aweber, 30% recurring. Active Campaign, 20% recurring. And it also tells you per sale. MailerLite, 30% recurring. Sendinblue, 30% recurring. Kartra, 40% recurring. So now you don't have to go through all the blog posts out there and different sites to do this. It's going to pull them up for you. It's going to save you a massive amount of time. And I'm going to show you all the benefits of using this tool right here. It's going to save you a massive amount of time. Find affiliate programs in seconds, not hours. No need to look up endless blog lists like I went over. Zero learning curve, plug and play, no setup, no tech skills, beginner and pro friendly. Finds high ticket and recurring offers plus one-time offers. Uncovers programs that pay big. Supports, like I said, one-time and recurring commission models. Works for any niche. SaaS, which is short for software as a service, finance, health and fitness, e-commerce, gaming, whatever niche you're in, it'll work for. Just select niche and hit search. Better than ChatGPT. You don't have to go over, no prompt engineering needed. You don't have to go over there and mess with prompts. And you're going to have to use ChatGPT, numerous amount of times to get the results you want. This is that it's done for you. So I built this to save myself time and obviously other affiliate marketers. It was built for affiliate marketers, by an affiliate marketer for affiliate marketers. So you don't got to mess with ChatGPT. You just come on over here, enter those 4 boxes. You've seen how easy it is, and you're going to have ideas. Pre-built to deliver usable money-making affiliate programs. Provides clear, actionable results. Affiliate program name, estimated commissions, descriptions. Cuts the fluff. Delivers only what matters. Perfect for affiliate marketers of all levels. Newbies get shortcuts. Experienced marketers get research superpowers. So that's that. This is the tool again. And I got a bunch of other tools I'm giving away for free. A bunch. And they're all high value at the AI Toolkit Vault right here. Check them out. But this is an excellent tool if you're an affiliate marketer looking for affiliate programs in whatever niche. That's going to save you massive amounts of time and energy. So come on over. Links below in the video description box. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you have any questions, comment in the comment below. I'll be glad to answer them for you. And I can't wait for you to check out my new tool. I know you're going to love it. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye-bye.